Today, we're going to take a look at how you download the Votacall GO web phone to your desktop so that it can be activated when you start up your computer and appear as an icon inside your taskbar. Let's take a peek. Start by going to the My Votacall portal and logging in. Go up to Apps and click on the Votacall GO web phone, same as you normally would. As you can see, that launches over here on the left. If this is your first time logging in, follow the steps. Once you're logged in, you can expand the window. As you expand the window, you'll see an icon appear. It says Install Votacall GO web phone with a download arrow. You can also come over to Settings, and you'll see here that it says Install PWA, Install Progressive Web Apps. That's a Google feature that allows you to install the app. So we'll just click here, or we could have clicked here. Now it asks you if you'd like to install the app. Click Install. Once installed, a new window will open that will look like this. You'll also see down in the taskbar that an icon has been added. I can right-click on that and click Pin to Taskbar, and it will be there from now on. Now to add it to your Start menu, click the three dots. Go to App Info. From here, click Settings. Here you'll see an option for Start App when you sign in. Turn that on. Once that's turned on, you can close this tab. So now, even if you're not logged into My Votacall, the app will appear in your taskbar, and you can start the app from there. So what I'll do is I'll close this now, and I'll close my web browser as well. And I'm just going to click now the Votacall GO web phone app down in the taskbar. You'll see that it opens up. If I was logged out, when I open it, I would get this screen, and I can log in with Office 365 or Google or my credentials that we provide for you. There we are. That's how to add the My Votacall web phone to your taskbar and to your startup menu, as well as to download.